Kate Middleton and Camilla, the Duchess of Cornwall, will both reunite with the Queen and other top players in the royal family early next month for a critical royal engagement. The royal family will be in Glasgow next month for the COP26 summit, Buckingham Palace has confirmed. The Queen will travel Scotland with her son, the Duke of Cornwall and the Duchess of Cornwall, alongside the Duke and Duchess of Cambridge for the big event between Monday, November 1 to Friday, November 5. It will be the first joint engagement for the top members of the firm since the G7 summit in Cornwall in June this year. Glasgow is the host city for the major climate conference, which will see world leaders come together to negotiate and accelerate action on the growing climate crisis. The Glasgow Conference has been billed as crucial to delivering the goal of the Paris Agreement which, when it was agreed in 2015, recognized countries needed to significantly increase action to cut emissions and turn back the tide on climate change. However, the Queen will not be staying in Glasgow for the conference. Instead, she will stay at her Holyrood residence, some 40 miles away in Edinburgh. It is also expected the Dukes and Duchess of Cornwall and Cambridge may also stay there. The royals have also been busy doing their own environmental campaigning recently, making their presence at the summit even more relevant than merely being royal. Prince Charles has a long-standing commitment to environmental campaigning and has been joined in recent years by his eldest son Prince William. The Duke of Cambridge recently established the Earthshot Prize, an award recognizing innovations that help to repair the damage done by climate change. Winners of the award, a this year's project with a total prize fund of $50 million, will be announced later this month. Prince William won in a recent BBC documentary The Earthshot Prize, Repairing Our Planet, We Must Act Now to Create a Different Future for Our Children and Grandchildren. We stand at a fork in the road. If we continue on our path the natural world and everything we take for granted will decline. He added, it is for this very reason that he launched the Earthshot Prize, the most ambitious environmental prize in history. A decade of action to repair our planet. Meanwhile, Prince Charles has been working on climate change project for decades and has previously called upon members of the Commonwealth to work together. The Duke of Cornwall recently opened the virtual proceedings for Climate Week at the end of September. He said, without swift and immediate action, at an unprecedented pace and scale, we will miss the window of opportunity to reset for a more sustainable and inclusive future. The environmental crisis has been with us for far too many years, decried, denigrated and denied. It is now rapidly becoming a comprehensive catastrophe that will dwarf the impact of the coronavirus pandemic. Earlier this year met with climate activist Greta Thunberg to encourage leaders to embrace a sustainable future.